Hey, you're watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a cool robot alien. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Today when we make this, you can use your own creativity and make it a little bit different if you want. Now, I'm going to go over the colors that we used, but you can use any colors you really want to. Now, before we get into the supplies, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, you should go subscribe right now. Awesome. A few supplies that we'll need as always includes a blank piece of drawing paper, and you'll need a black Sharpie or pencil to draw with. Now, the colors that we used today were purple, green, orange, and last but not least, blue. Well, I think we'll have a lot of fun with this. Let's go try to draw our cool robot alien, and let's see what we can come up with.
When we made our robot alien, we used a lot of basic lines and shapes. But for this, I want you guys to use your own creativity, so you guys can use ours as a guide to create your own. I'm really excited to see what we can come up with. You should submit your drawings so we can share them with our friends on Instagram and our fellow artists via direct email at learnhowtodraw@yahoo.com. Well, I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub.